Today we're looking at the joy of jigsaw puzzles. From taking your own picture, having it made into a puzzle, you can send it to some place like Shutterfly. They'll send it back and it looks like this. Then take it out of the box, dump it on the table, and then start sorting the pieces. First you'll want to take the edge pieces and then start putting them together around and then fill it in from there. Yep. Keep on going around the edges. This is the quickest way to do it. And then when it's done, wave your magic wand and poof, it comes to life.